Hi guys, let's start with question number 2 of exercise 2.2 class 9th mathematics. So guys, let's get started. So our question says, oops, it's question number 2, not 1. So our question says find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomials. So our very first polynomial is, I guess, y square minus y plus 1. I guess it's a little bit okay, so y square minus y plus 1. So let's start with the solution. So our very first one is p0. So let's first write 1 is py, y square minus y plus 1. So now we are going to put the value for p0. I hope you can see the board. So p 0 is equals to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Okay, so if we talk about the answer, it would be 0 minus 0 plus 1. At last we will get 1. So this one was for p0. Now we will do for p1. So p1 is equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So this one will be 1 minus 1 plus 1. So if I am not wrong, this one and this one will get cancelled and we will be left with 1. Ooh. Now, so we got again 1 here. Now let's try with P2. Okay, so this is our last one for this part. P2 is equals to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. This one would be like this. So it would be 4 minus 2 plus 1. So it would be 2 plus 1. Now final answer would be 3. Wow. So our first part completes here. So you can have a quick look at this. Till then, I will write second part for you. So our second part is P T is equals to 2 plus T plus 2T square minus T cube. Okay, I guess you all have had a quick look on this, and if you did, just I'm giving you one more quick second to have it, then we will start with our second part. Okay, so now I guess you must have had a quick view. So now let's move to our second part. So in our second part, we will proceed same as we proceeded in first part. So first let us write solution, and I forgot to write with black. So I am writing with blue only, but you can write with black also. Okay, t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, so now let's first put t0 equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2, 0 square minus 0 cube. Okay, so it's a bit like this. So now let's solve it. So we will get 0 here and 0 here. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sorry, not plus, minus 0. Okay, so uh, we got 2. Yeah. So the answer for the very first one is 2. Now let's write for the P1. Okay, so please P value is 1, then 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 square minus 1 cube. So here we will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so it would be like this. So this can get cancelled with this, and 2 plus 2 will be left. So it would be 4. Nice. So now let's do the P2. Okay. So let's write 2 plus 2 plus 2 2 whole square minus 2 cube. So if we try to solve it, we will get 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 8. So this one will get cancelled with this one. Again we got 2 plus 2, which would be 4. Easy, isn't it? So our two parts are completed. Now let's begin with third and fourth part. Then you can have a quick look with it. Okay guys, I think you had a quick look at the first and second part. So now let's begin with the third part. So our third part says px is equal to x square. Okay, so let's write it first. Px is equal to x square. Then we will put the value for p0. So we get 0 square, which will be equals to 0 only. It's simple, I guess. No, this one is going to be the easiest part till now. P1 is equals to, so now 1 would be there and but square. So 1, you get 1. Easy. Now let's go to the third, P2. So in this one, I guess you will get 4. Yeah, so it's done. It's the easiest part, I guess. Because the answer is really easy. Wait a second. So now let's move to the fourth part, which is Px is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. So in this part, let's first write it. Okay, so now let's try with the very first one, which is p is equals to 0. P0 is equals to x, sorry, not the x, it would be now 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. So now we will solve it like this, that we will divide it into 2, not divide, we will just expand it. 0 0 plus 1, then minus 1, 0 plus 1. So like this. Now we are going to solve it further. So I guess, so let's see, 0, you will get 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 1. Okay, so let me tell you how we got this here. As first we multiplied this, we got this, then we multiplied this and this, we got this, and we multiplied this and this, we got this, and because of negative minus 1, and when it was multiplied by this, it became minus 1. Okay, so we got here is minus 1. Okay, so we are doing it right. So now let's try it with p1. Oh yeah, p1. So p1, so please let me is equals to sorry, I mistakenly wrote x again, but I had to write 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. Wow. So 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 1 plus 1. So this is how somehow like this. So if we multiply it, we will get 1 1 plus 1, but here it will be a little bit different. As it is minus 1, we will get minus 1 minus 1. So This one will get cancelled with this and this, so we got 0. So this was the answer for the second one. Now let's try it with b brackets 2. Oh, I gave a lot distance between. Okay, now it looks better. So 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. So I don't know what we are going to get here, but let's see. So 2 plus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 1. So if we try, we will get 4 here. Please wait. Plus 2 minus 2 minus 1. So if you see it, you get 6 minus 3. So I get 3. So answer would be 3. But I'm having a little bit doubt if it's actually 3 or not. So I guess the answer would be 3. What do you say? Tell me in the comment section below. So guys, this was the last part of this question, and now this question ends here. Now I will meet you in the next video. So till then you can have a quick view of this one, these two parts, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. See you soon.